Vidyavriksha started by offering programs and certifications to the employees. We said, we will first make sure that our home is serviced well, which is our employees. That was the first phase. And in the first phase, under Vidyavriksha, there are 7 academies. There's an academy dedicated to sales, technology, which is partnered with Google. There's an academy for customer experience, which is chaired by a person who's very well known in that area. We have an academy dedicated to people function as well. There's a leadership academy, which is again which has external partners who specialize in global leadership programs. And we have had multiple great companies as founding partners of Vidyavriksha, like ISB, GMI, to name a few. Google. So then we offer the services of Vidyavriksha to our employees for the first 6 months to see what is the adoption and how excited are our own family members about it. When we saw this exciting response from our employees, we said we now want to take it to the channel partners. So that was phase 2. Then we opened up our offerings from Vidyavriksha to the channel partners in our health, motor and corporate businesses. One of the programs that was really liked by the channel partners was a certification program on basics of general insurance. So even our channel partners have their employees who represent our organization in the market, who may or may not necessarily be from the insurance industry. So this program was really appreciated by them. Then some of the other programs that we offered as our initial offering to channel partners was specialized programs around marine insurance, fire insurance. So the whole idea is to make sure that learning becomes more accessible, and it is not limited to just the employees of HDFC ERGO, but our partners are equally a part of our family, and what we do for our immediate family members, which is our employees, we also do it for our partners. Then we said, why only to the partners? There is something that HDFC ERGO took pride a couple of years ago, was to say that how can we make sure that an average or anybody in the country thinks about HDFC ERGO at 6 o'clock in the morning? How can we create or capture that mind share? So I think our offering of Vidyavriksha to the communities is in alignment with what the organization philosophy is, or what the organization plan is to create mind share. So we are saying that we'll take our Vidyavriksha offering to people at large, no matter where they are, tier 3, tier 4, tier 5 towns, any city, and we make them more employable, especially the youth, make them more employable, make learning more accessible, work on skills which are required, which are differentiators, and which will help our youth in the country to find jobs and careers that they desire. One of the philosophies at HDFC ERGO is to take employment where possible candidates are. And if we have to look at the future of our country, a large part of the growth will also come from not so big cities, but the cities which are like tier 3, tier 4 towns. And that is where really the impact area is. And through Vidyavriksha, we want to create that impact in those areas and truly make a difference in the lives of people in those places. So that's really the structure. So there is domain-specific academies under Vidyavriksha, which caters to employees, partners, and to the communities at large.